the honest truth about making money online in 2026. Now, as you watch this video, okay, I'm going to be straight to the point because so many people are asking me this question: how I can make money the good way online in 2026. Okay, so if you're someone who is working 9 to 5 job, okay, the first thing I want to tell you is no, you don't have to quit your 9 to 5 job in order to make money online in 2026. Of course, if that is your goal later on, yes, you can do it. Of course, it's still possible. But if you want to make money online in 2026, listen closely, okay? Now, the first thing I want to tell you is if you have tried Amazon dropshipping, maybe you have tried affiliate marketing, maybe you have tried network marketing, okay? Maybe you have tried TikTok shop and you have failed. It's not your fault. Why? Because in 2026, in order to get real results, I'm talking about consistency, okay? Not just making $500 in a day today, but tomorrow zero. No, I'm talking about consistent, sustainable income online. Let's call it passive income online, okay? Sustainable income, meaning 100, 300, 500, even $1,000 days. Yes, it's doable, but what you do need is someone who can actually help you one-on-one, step by step along the way. Why? Because if you are someone who has bought courses in the past about, I don't know, affiliate marketing, maybe you have about drop shipping, Shopify stores, right? FBA, Amazon FBA, maybe MLM, I don't know, whatever, and you have failed, it's not your fault. You know that courses are watered down, outdated versions of what used to work years ago or months ago. Okay? That's what courses are. What you do need in 2026 in order to succeed and make consistent income, sustainable online, is someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, by hand holding you and giving you exact frameworks that is actually converting and doing well in 2026. Personally, what has allowed me to travel to over 70 countries, yes, 70 countries, is affiliate marketing with paid ads, media buying, meaning I choose products on ClickBank, for example, or other affiliate networks. Those affiliate networks are free. They allow you to choose products like weight loss supplements, Nutra offers, dating products, woodworking, golf, hobby niche, baby niche, dog training niche. Okay, so many niches out there where you can go and dominate, actually get your pie, your 1% of results. Okay, and that is enough to allow you to start having 100, 200, even $500 or even more every single day in net profits. Okay, without showing your face, without making videos, without going on camera yourself. All right, so mostly people are buying products. So what I do is I position myself, my website, my quiz funnels, my website in front of people who already have buyer's intent. Meaning, like for example, on Google, with Google Loophole, there is a Google loophole, okay, right now as you watch this video, where people go on Google and search for the solutions for their problems that they are dealing with and pains they have. For example, someone in Minnesota or Texas right now at 11 p.m. at night or morning time, whatever, okay, time zone they are in, they go and search for how to get rid of my back pain. And once they search in Google, they see your Google pay-per-click ad. And if you did your job correctly as an affiliate, of course, they're going to purchase that product via debit card or credit card. And you, as an affiliate, you are going to get 90% affiliate commissions from ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate network that pays you up to 90% affiliate commissions. But you have to understand, in order to do this successfully, you have to understand psychology of markets, criteria of markets. Okay, this is not about AI or ChatGPT. No, because ChatGPT will not be there at 11 p.m. where your ad campaign gets stuck, that your ad account get flagged or shut down. That's why you do need human being who can actually understand other human beings on a deeper psychological, emotional level. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. Okay, and you can do this if you have at least 30 minutes per day, 20 to 30 minutes per day. Yes, you can do it no matter where you live, in India, in Australia, in Germany, in US, Canada, doesn't matter, South America, doesn't matter. Okay, what matters is that you have 30 minutes per day, some money to invest with to begin with, and a little bit of time so you can actually make this profitable. Because let's be honest, okay, it's 2026. your friends, your family members, your neighbors, I'm sure they are buying things online. They're ordering stuff online, maybe, I don't know, whey protein, maybe supplements, vitamins, maybe ebooks, whatever. They are buying things online, okay? And truth be told, people are spending money online every single day. Otherwise, Google wouldn't exist, YouTube wouldn't exist, and Facebook wouldn't exist, and even TikTok and Instagram. Okay, so as you watch this video right now, if you want to know how to make money online in 2026 without showing your face on camera, okay, faceless products, promoting products online without showing your face, then this is exactly something for you. Okay, if you're serious, if you're smart, if you're an action taker, okay, who wants to get results in 2026 and have better life, maybe extra money online, sustainable passive income online, let me know. That's my Instagram, my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal cell phone number, okay, cell phone number, email, and Facebook Messenger. You can connect with me one-on-one, correct, one-on-one, personally, but only as long as you're serious, as long as you're someone who wants to become great and actually have results for your family, for your spouse, for your kids, okay? Maybe take extra vacations like myself. I love traveling all around the world. I've been from Australia to Santorini to Monaco, okay, to South America. I've been also to Maldives, Bali, Thailand, everywhere, okay? The reason why is because I love traveling. That's my passion, and affiliate marketing can definitely allow you to do this in 2026 if you're someone who actually is not excuse maker but action taker and want to move forward and fast forward yourself in 2026 to get certain results.